What we got here, Gordon?
Hey Adam, we have the brand new Razer Core X Chroma. The original Core X is still there, $299, but now Razer wants to charge you an extra $100.
Yeah, what do you get for that?
It's worth it because you get your LEDs that actually synchronize with the lights of your laptop, your dock and all that stuff, your Razer mouse and keyboard. Coolness. Of course, I'm just kidding. It's not just about LEDs that sync up. There's actually new hardware inside here. Previous one had a 650 watt power supply. The new one is 700 watts, so you can run bigger GPUs. The other really big change is this has Intel's new Titan Ridge controller, and not just one, but it has two Titan Ridge controllers. That lets Razer do such cool things that the original didn't.
Like what?
As including USB, it includes Ethernet, so you can plug into this and run your peripherals off of the Core X Chroma. The original didn't do it. The other thing that the two Titan Ridge controls let you do is it actually lets you plug in a whole bunch of stuff to this without things connecting. Thunderbolt 3 is a little wacky when you plug in a monitor and mouse and keyboard and a bunch of other things. It gets a little strange. They said we use two Titan Ridge controllers so that we can now juggle all that hardware you plug in. It doesn't magically increase the amount of Thunderbolt 3 data you can move. In fact, this still runs off a single Thunderbolt 3, as you can see. No change there, but it can just juggle more hardware internally. $100, worth it? I think it is, just for the LEDs that sync up. To a lot of people, they won't care about that stuff. Buy it for the LEDs, folks.